Hey everybody, this is Fernand Jimenez, and I just want to do a real quick video just to show you the power of ClickFunnels. Um, I did this video about May 29, 2017. So it's a little over 2 years ago I did this video. It's in Spanish and it's about a health wellness company. And look how many views I have. 34,450 views. I know that's not a lot of views. I know there's a million of views. I know there's people with billion of views videos. But either way, in terms of a business, in terms of traffic, that's a lot of people that went through this video. Okay. Between you and me, I have a feeling that this video was used by leaders to educate the people on their team or their customers on how to use the product, which is very smart from them. Basically, what they did was like somebody called them and said, "Dude, I don't know how to use this product. It's driving me crazy. What do I do?" They said, "Watch this video." And then they kept on telling all their team members, "Look, whenever anybody asks you how to do how to take the product, just give them this video, right?" And it's called duplication. So I was lucky that one of my videos became a tool of duplication. And that's kind of what you have to keep in mind when you make videos. Here's a little tip, a little inside tip in making videos. If you want to use videos to promote your company or anything, is that you have to kind of make them in mind, like, how can this be a tool for somebody else to use to duplicate their business? Now, I'm not going to lie to you. When I initially made it, I didn't do it with that in mind. I just wanted to do a video to show a little tip that I learned on how to take this product. So either way, that was a little digression. Now going back to what I was saying, see, this video's got all those views, but here's one flaw, one critical flaw that I did not do to take advantage of this traffic, right? And what I did wrong was this. In my description, I sent the viewer to a shopping page. I sent them to a page to shop, to a sales page. All right. What I have done now is I have created now a capture page. So in other words, for people to go to where I want them to go, maybe to make a buy or to go to get on a list, I got to first get their email. And here's where ClickFunnels comes in, because ClickFunnels helps you do exactly that. It gives you the software to be able to create any type of page that you could. And why would you want to do this? Because the amateur uses the internet to send people straight to a sales page. The non-amateur uses the internet to send people first to a capture page or somewhere where they can get their information and put them on an email list or any type of database. Now they have them there, and now they can share information, they can pitch, they can do whatever it is they want, but they've achieved that person on the list. That's the whole reason why you're doing any type of advertising. Here's a second tip that I'm going to give you. Any type of advertising that you're doing on the internet should always be to build your list rather than to make a sale. Or one person said to build conversations rather than do a conversion. It may sound weird at first, but in reality, this is how you build a long-term business rather than a short-term, $1, $2 here, there, and goodbye, it disappears. Because in the end, you want this to be a long-term business. All right, so going back to ClickFunnels, let me show you. I want to show you right now the page that I have made that I'm going to change it to. All right. Okay, so let's go. It's this one right here. So this is the page that I created, and people are going to come to this page. They're going to see this video, right? That's me in the video and saying, "Hey, what's going on?" And then they're going to, let's stop that right there. Okay, and then they're going to put in their name. They're going to put in their email, and they're going to press here, and they're going to be sent to my email list. All right. And then now I can build a relationship with them, right? They say in business you have to talk to the person 7 to 11 times for them to make a choice. So that means you have to follow up. That means you have to keep in touch. The advantage of using email and the advantage of using a system like ClickFunnels is that it helps you set up the situation where you get people on your list, and then now your emails will do the following up for you. Your emails will do the keeping in touch. You can still call, you can still do belly to belly, but this is just, even for your business, a way to duplicate your business, duplicate your efforts. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here, I'm going to edit video, right? And I'll show you, this is how easy it could be done. Let's see if we can edit video. And oh yeah, it's coming. All right. And then I'm going to come to the description, and you see my little faithful friend here. Look at that long, ugly, oh my Lord, how ugly and long that is. right? And I'm just gonna come over here and I'm gonna copy this bad boy, right? Copy, come over here, and then I'm gonna paste it, and voila, there is my video, right? Let's see if we can get a better picture here. That one's actually pretty cool. Like if I'm blowing a kiss, I love it. All right, so let's save that. We'll make it public. Blah blah blah. Let's get rid of this. I don't want to do that. All right, and let's put another. And look, you're seeing some of the stuff that I'm doing here, right? You see that? You're seeing some of the stuff that I'm doing. All right, and then we also had. All right, and then we had also. Enter. Right, and we'll keep that because that's all right. And then save. So now we go back to the video. We go back to the video, and if you look at my description, there it is. It didn't save. Is that good or what?
Buenos días, amigos y amigas.
Once we go back to the video, it should be saved. Go back to more, and there it is. Boom. Salud residual. All right. So there we have it. And if we click on it, it should take us to that capture page, which we saw earlier. Now we're in the business. Okay. All right, my beautiful people. Always keep growing, always keep sharing, always keep loving. If you want to learn more about what I'm doing, go ahead and put your information in the wherever it is that you're seeing here. And that's going to definitely give you more of these tips that I'm using on how to use the internet to develop, to get more customers, to blow up your business, right? Yeah, this is good stuff. Love you all. Have a great day.